Okay, folks, we're on the side of the hill. It's quite the drop, but got a signal right here. Let's see. Could just be a penny. Could just be a penny, but it's definitely a coin. We're just, like I say, midway on the hill. Get the pinpointer out and see if we can't find it together. Well, too deep for that. I didn't bring my shovel today. My shoulder's too sore, I can't carry it. So, got the hand digger. So, let's just move the stuff away and let me figure out exactly where it is. Okay, let's say right about there. Oops. Let's try it. Kind of hard. Oop. Hope I don't scratch it. Oh well, it is what it is. Let's see if we can hear yet. Okay, over here somewhere. That should have it out. Still down there. Hope I can get it. Come on, where you are. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh yeah. That looks like silver, my friends. I don't know. It's the size of a quarter. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. What the heck is that? I don't know what I have here. It's got some kind of old head on it. All right, let me clean this up. Get back to you. I'll clear up the picture. All right, there it is. It's some kind of foreign coin. 1944. Mexican, maybe? Yep, Mexicanos. The 44 Mexican coin. All right, cool. Catch you on the next. Still on the side of the hill. It's snowing now. There's a lot of devastation. River at the bottom. I'm just plugging along, and I got another coin. Man, this one was ringing like high 30s on the equinox. Crazy. Crazy. And it is a KG 6 penny. Let's see if there's anything else around here. Looks like another 46. All right, see what else we can get. Catch you on the next KG 6. Okay, we just got another George penny. Looks like a 52 this time. All right. And we just got the other one right there. Cool. Maybe someone spilled some coins. We'll see if we can't find some more around here. Catch you on the next. Okay, so KG 6 penny. KG 6 penny. Another signal, and it looks like it's a silver. Now, KG 6 silver. Let's see what we got together. There it is. All right, let's pull her out. Yep, most likely. Yep, KG6. Just like the pennies. Cool. Got us the KG6. Silver dime, 80%. All right, let's see if we can't get a few more things right around here. That's 4 coins just right in this little area. Right on this little point. Cool. Get you on the next KG6. All right, well, just plugging away along this, what appears to be an old road. Really old road. And I got me a musket ball. Looks like it hit something. Oops. Cool. Catch you on the next. See ya. All right, looks like we got some kind of old clip. Been in the ground for a while. Cool. All right, catch you on the next. See ya, folks. Look at that, folks. Just still plugging away. In the thick of things, it's still snowing. And we just got ourselves a little handgun. Good shape. All there. Cool. Cool, cool. See what else we can get. Catch you on the next. See ya. All right, folks. So, got another signal right beside the gun. And look. We got the old fancy buckle. I guess the holster was here. Oop. Hard to do with one hand. A little bit of the holster still in there. All right. Cool. Cool, cool. All right, folks. As you can see, everything's white all of a sudden. Man, it's a blizzard out here. It is just coming down like crazy. Crazy blizzard. Well, I'm going to work my way back, but that's some kind of little buckle, I would imagine, once upon a time. Sounded good. Brass. All right, we're going to work our way out because this is getting nasty. Look at me. I'm turning into a snowman. Okay, although it's nice, the wind's picking up. We will see you on the next. Wow, what a snowy transformation, folks. It's just crazy. From no snow, it's just like a blizzard out here. It's just like a blizzard. The snows are falling like mad. I'm working my way out, but I got a coin signal. It looks like a penny. Has it got any age? It's a KG6. All right, well, we'll take it. A lot of KG6 today. All right, we'll carry on working our way out. If we find anything else, we'll get back to you. Okay, folks, just got that KG6 penny there that I scanned here, and it was a spill. Got 3 more. I know the snow's burying them fast. I'm gonna assume they're... Oh, we got a KG5 in there, folks. Oh, we got a wheat, a KG6, and a KG5. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Hard to see. There's the wheat. Oops, way off. Okay, let me get back to you. This snow is crazy. All right, got a little spill. A KG5, KG6, and a wheatie all in there. And I think it was with those other ones. So, yeah, got a KG6 and a 5. Sweet. Can't get the date off that, but we'll get it later for you in the wrap-up. Nice. Actually, this is the spot right here, actually, where I got my very first KG5 penny ever. Cool. Catch you on the next. Wow. This is just phenomenal. Like I'm just turning into a snowman. Look at it out there. Wow, everything is just so white. Wow. Sticking to the trees. You can just see it flying by in the air up here. Okay, well, getting close to getting out of here. Whew. Look at the snow already. Getting deep, man. Deep. Peace. Whew. All right. We'll catch you if we find anything else on the way out. All right, folks. Good thing I walked today. Just went somewhere close to home. Did not want to get stuck driving in this nightmare. Whew. That's brutal. Brutal, brutal, brutal. I was just down in the valley. Okay. I'll see you when I get home. It's about a 5-minute walk. Brutal. All right, folks, a little wrap up from today's hunt. Wow, started out nice, the ground was dry. Then after about an hour and a half, the snow started to fly. And within an hour, hour and a half, the ground was buried. But we got out for a little 3-hour hunt. And we got a few things. We got 6 kg 6 pennies. We got 1 wheatie. And what was this guy doing here? 1944 Cinco Centavos Mexican coin. And we got this really nice 1932 KG6 or KG5 penny. First one of 2024. We got a little square nail. I'm sure this is a little brass buckle piece part. We got us a musket ball again. The second one. I rarely get musket balls, and I got one about a week or two ago. And we got the cap gun. Really good shape. And this was with it. Was probably from the belt with the holster, but the belt all rotted out. The leather, or fake leather. And we got the 1 lone silver today. KG6 dime. 80%. I think it's a 41. All right. Although it was a good little hunt until that snow came and totally snowed us out. All right. We will see you on the next, folks.